Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So we are starting with new live batch of subject SP1 from this upcoming weekend, that is 6th May weekend. So we are starting with SP1 on students' demand. So you will be getting access to classes in all the three more formats. That is, you can come to attend the class offline. You can take the same class live online at your place wherever you are in India or outside India, or you can avail the video of the class in case you cannot attend it offline or online. Apart from the classes, you will be getting access to test series and assignments from our side, and these test series and assignments will be based on weekly target showing, so that you can proceed well with the course and can make sure that you are doing regular with the course, because this is what working students require. They require a push from our side so that they can continue well with the course. So all our SP1 September 2023 and November 2023 planners do start ASAP if you are planning for the upcoming attempt, because the course is vast and we expect students to start early so that they can continue well with the course. Plus, apart from the co-reading discussion, we will be doing detailed past papers discussion as well in our live classes. So that's why we are starting the classes now onward, so that we can easily complete the course by August, and after that we can continue with our past papers discussion. Thank you.